Let's continue our walk in Cartagena. The squares of Cartagena and other southern Spanish cities are dominated by monumental fig trees. These exotic trees, native to Australia, were planted around the turn of the 19th and 20th centuries. Back then, city leaders and landscape designers used them to showcase the city's openness, wealth, and modern spirit. These huge, unique trees in the heart of the city were like living statues, symbols of civic pride. Many of them are now more than 100 years old, true witnesses to the city's growth. Locals are justly proud of them, and they have been granted the status of monumental trees in Spain, a protection reserved for trees of special value. The Ficus macrophylla can grow up to 50 meters tall, with a canopy spreading as wide as 30 meters. This is very useful during the Mediterranean summers, providing enormous shade. From their branches, aerial roots grow downwards, and over time, as they reach the ground, they develop into supporting columns, making the tree look as if several trunks form a single living sculpture. A little bizarre browsing. Town Hall Palace, an iconic modernist and eclectic landmark building completed in 1907. This statue depicts a young soldier who is waiting for his compulsory military service. The harbor area. Cartagena's port was already an important harbor in the ancient era of New Carthage. Today, besides its military and tourist functions, it plays a major role in the import and export traffic of the Murcia region. Around 60% of the goods exported from Murcia and 80% of the imported goods pass through Cartagena's port. In the background, we can see the container loading. Back in the city center, it's time to try some churros. In this part of our Cartagena walk, we visited the monumental fig trees of Plaza San Francisco, the sights and statues along the way, the quarreling parrots, and some bizarre goods. We went as far as the port, then continued along the waterfront towards the bus station. In the next episode, we'll continue our walk and discover more of Cartagena's charms.